Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Telstra account. Telstra is an Australian telecommunication company that provides wide range of services. To log into Telstra account, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I'm going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.telstra.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Telstra. Now, here you can see sign in box on the top right corner. Click on sign in. Then here you can see you can log into different kind of Telstra account. I'm going on with my Telstra account, so click on my Telstra at the first. After this, now here you need to first enter your username on the given box. Now, if you don't remember your username, you can click on recover username option. Similarly, if you want your username saved on this computer, then you can click on Remember Username option. After entering your username, click on Continue option. After this, you need to enter the password of your account. So enter the correct password of your account on the given box. After this, if you don't remember your password, then you can click on Recover Account option. Now here you need to click on I am not a robot box. After you do so, now click on sign in. With this, now you'll be able to log into your Telstra account. This is how we can log in Telstra account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.